Hello everyone. Today we're exploring a tool that promises to elevate your woodworking projects, the wood carving and engraving drill bit set. Let's look into its design features to see how it stands out. This set includes 5 high-speed steel drill bits, each engineered for precision and durability. The 3-pointed teeth are precisely centered, allowing for sharp and accurate counterholes. The 3-sided arc surface design facilitates quick and automatic chip removal, enhancing efficiency during carving and engraving tasks. Getting started is straightforward. Attach the appropriate bit to your rotary tool, ensuring it's securely in place. These bits are compatible with most rotary tools, making them versatile for various projects. Once set up, you can effortlessly carve or engrave wood, achieving detailed designs with ease. Users have praised these bits for their sharpness and efficiency. They cut through wood smoothly, allowing for intricate detailing without causing hand fatigue. However, it's important to handle them with care, as the sharpness that makes them effective also requires cautious use. Each product has their pros and cons. Let's start with the pros first. Sharpness. The bits are very sharp, facilitating precise carving and engraving. Durability. Made from high-speed steel, they are strong and durable, not easy to break. Ease of use. They allow for effortless carving, reducing hand fatigue compared to traditional methods. Now, it's time for the cons. Control. Some users find the larger bits challenging to control, especially on harder woods. Durability of smaller bits. The smallest bit may be more prone to breaking if not handled carefully. Customers had a lot to say about the product. Let's look at few of them. Considering its features, performance, and user feedback, we rate the wood carving and engraving drill bit set at 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's a valuable addition to any woodworker's toolkit, offering precision and efficiency in carving tasks. This drill bit set offers a blend of sharpness and durability, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned woodworkers. What are your thoughts on this tool? Have you tried it? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more insights on the latest tools and gadgets.